I bought a set of RollBar grab handles. In the front, there's this grab handle that's attached to the dash. We don't find it very useful to get in and get out. And I've seen many people use this and it seems like it's very helpful. So I went ahead and bought 4. So the plan for today is to install all these 4 grab handles. Let's go. So it's supposed to reuse the factory screws on the roll bar, and this is how it's supposed to fit. Thanks to my son for demoing it. I'll go ahead and install it right now. Okay, so the factory screws are out. We'll start installing. Go ahead.
Okay.
And there's the installed handle on the driver's side, second row. Looks pretty strong. We'll get started on the front row as well. Front row uses these 2 factory bolts. And my 5-year-old for the help.
Daddy, I almost did it.
Nice.
I can struggle.
Very nice. Okay, this is how it looks on the driver's side. It's the same procedure on the passenger side as well. Seems like a nice way to keep a 5-year-old occupied for like an hour or so.
Ciao.